Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to be showing you how to make apple cranberry crisp. Hey bakers, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather from bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others just how easy baking from scratch can be. And this apple cranberry crisp recipe is such a wonderfully easy dessert to make for the holidays. It's a classic apple crisp, but we're putting a twist on it by adding in some cranberries. You can add in fresh or frozen cranberries, whatever you have on hand. Let's get started. Let me show you how to make this apple cranberry crisp. To make this apple crisp, we're starting with 4 cups, which is about 4 or 5 large diced apples. To this, I'm going to add in 1 cup of cranberries. You can use fresh or frozen cranberries, whatever you can find. Add in some flour to thicken, some sugar to sweeten, and a little bit of cinnamon for flavor, and a little bit of lemon juice for browning. Go ahead and just give that a stir to combine. Make sure all the fruit is coated. Go ahead and place that into your pan. Go ahead and spread the fruit into your pan. I'm just using an 8x8, or you could use a 9x9. If you wanted to double the recipe and use a 9x13, you can. Go ahead and spread the fruit out. Go ahead and set it aside. To make the topping, I'm going to start with some just all-purpose flour, some old-fashioned oats. I prefer old-fashioned over quick oats, but you can definitely use quick oats. Some granulated sugar, some light brown sugar, or you could use dark brown sugar, some more cinnamon for flavor, and a little bit of salt. We're just going to go ahead and give that all a stir to combine. You can just break up the brown sugar if you have any lumps there. And then add in 1 stick of melted butter. Stir that all together until it makes a nice crumbly mixture. Now we're going to go ahead and crumble this on top of our apples. Go ahead and crumble your oatmeal topping all over the fruit. Make sure all the fruit is covered. Spread the topping all out. And then it's ready to bake. So there you go, that's how to make my super easy apple cranberry crisp, perfect for your holiday table. If you make this recipe, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another baking tutorial again. And until next time, happy baking.